Okay, good day everyone. So today this video is introducing our design works. So here I will show you two designs how we done that 100% make the customer mind base. So he dreamed his product and we design it to the real world. That's the things today we are going to show you. So this video is showing how we do it for according to his mind. So you can see this design is 100% create on a customer mind. So then he said us he want to do this and he asked from us how I do this. So then our first thing is we give him to this idea. So first we have to make 3D design of this, and after that we make this 3D video. So after that 3D video you can show your investors too, and you can present very nicely how this work and how it is practically work. So after that he can put to the market this design 100% very accurately, and after that finally we make 3D design. We have 3D design, so we make all the product drawings and the manufacturing drawings. He can give those things to the manufacturers, suppliers, and he can get final output and he can product this dream design. So I will show now how we do that. So firstly we make this is first design. So I will show you first what is his brief sketches. Actually he have this idea, he came with this idea. He show some signboards in the practical world and have low functionality. He want to add some function and he want to sell that product. So you can see how he told me his idea. So we get this idea and we make his dream design. So this is our 3D design software. So you can see how we do it. You can see all the things we are 3D modeling. So these are all 100% matched with practical product. So we have to only generate 3D drawing, manufacturing drawings on these files, and also we can make that 3D video for the entire his world, and he can use that manufacturing video for all of everyone to understand what his dream design come true to the real world. So this is our first design. We have make the one of the very good customers mind. So actually, so finally we make the manufacturing drawing for him. So actually this is the manufacturing drawing. You can see all the part are 100% described in manufacturing drawing. Actually I should add here, so as engineers they all know the one thing, the one language have entire world, it is engineering drawing. So engineering drawing is a one of perfect language we can use engineering things and engineering ideas and product things. Actually that's why we use engineering drawings. Actually me all know the language is the universal thing, and also engineering world we should use engineering drawings, because in our idea to 100% communicate to the supplier, and supplier can understand these drawings, and also if he have any of inconvenience he can use 3D files, because we make all of the files in 3D, so he can understand through the video and the original 3D files he have. We give all the source files, he can use them, and he can get 100% idea that which was generating customer mind. So let's go to the next design that we have done. So I quickly go to the second design. You can see this also the customer mind based design. He is some kind of dreamer product creator, so his mind is very good mind also. I think he has a very good powerful mind. So he want to make chicken cage very futuristic, that he want to make some automatic fully functional chicken cage. Like, oh, I like that. So he told me he want these things, and also he want to product it, and he want to sell it in the to large scale. So he asked me how we done this project. So my first opinion is, let's we make 3D design, and your dream is come true with the 3D design, and we make 3D product to you in the real world. So then he look his design, and he is very amazed, and he was very amazing. So after that he told me, so these things, add these things, exclude these to include. So why he can now realize the his dream design come true. So he can look all the things with the 3D design. So I will here show you how we done it. So you can see the video. So you can see how we done it. This is the 3D design we have made. So you can see the how we design it. So actually he want to automate this all of the things. When sunrise, the all the doors are open and chickens can go out, and all the feeding units are, all the things are automated. So all the things he can realize with this after the 3D design. And then he presented his investors to this, and they were also pleased, and they were 100% agree with his design, and he finally had this manufactured. And I will show now how our manufacturing drawing was for that. So I will here, yes, this is, you can see all of the things we made 100% perfectly for the manufacturers or suppliers to understand very easy. So you can see these are all of the parts we made the engineering drawings, so he can understand all of the things. They can, because we have only one method to communicate with the manufacturers is manufacturing drawings. That's why we all things are defined. And also he can use all of the 3D files in, we can provide all of the 3D file format to the understand that supplier to the his product designing. So these are the manufacturing drawing, so you can understand how our process is going easily. Your mind make real product, and you must find us to make it real world. So we will help you to create your dream design to the real world. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.